Okay, good morning class. Today is Monday, June 8th, 2020. Okay? Today we are going to start our activities by application activity. Simply because we have seen last time some adjectives which end with the word less. And today we have put into practice what we have seen last time. Activity 3. But before starting my work, you see, it's very important to give you a piece of advice. You see, the world is confronted today by, a pandemic called COVID-19. The most important thing today is to take some precaution. Watch your hand every day. Okay? Watch your hand every day. Self-quarantine. Avoid people. Stay at home. Okay? Avoid people again. Very important to protect yourself and protect your family. And also protect, your friend, your relatives, etc. Now, let's return to our activity, our work. You see here, number 3, application activity. Filling the gaps with appropriate adjectives from the box below. Each adjective, okay, should be used only one number. One is an example. You see, the box is here. Hopeless, needless, useless, merciless, powerless, defenseless. As I have said, the first sentence is an example. Here the first sentence is, neither animals or plants are useless for our life. Okay? Useless is written here. It has been chosen in the box. Now, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Let's return to number 2. Number 2, you say, human life will be without flora, fauna, and flora. Okay? Fauna and flora. Here. Fauna and flora. Number 3. Some wild animals are with small ones. Okay? Number 4. The ecosystem is in front of main activities. Number 6. Human beings sometimes take decision which cause the destruction of our environment. Now, I give you just 10 minutes, okay, to find the solution of the different words, or to correct the different words. What are the adjectives we are going to put in the different parts? So, you have just 5 minutes to do it. Hurry up, please. But before, I think it is normal to know the real place of the adjective in the following sentences. You must know it. You must wait. Take your time. Be quick. Be serious. Make yourself at work. I'm waiting for you. Just 5 minutes. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, please. Hurry up. I'm waiting for the answers. Okay, it remains 3 minutes. Hurry up, please. I repeat again. Filling the gaps with appropriate adjectives. The adjectives are in the box. So, you have to choose only adjective to fill the gap. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gaps. So try to find the right adjective and place here. So now we are going to have our correction. Okay? Number one is number one is useless. Okay? Number two, merciless. Okay? Number three is hopeless. Number four is powerless. Number five is defenseless. And at the end we have needless, number six. Okay, I repeat. One is useless. The answer is given before. Number two is merciless. 3, hopeless. 4, powerless. 5, defenseless. 6, nevertheless. And that's all. So you see, my dear people, things are very clear in your mind. Okay? Now, after application activities, we are going to see one of the important points of our lesson, okay? Which is communication activity. So, number four, communication activity. Communication activity. Okay? Now, the topic is for the International Environment Day, okay, for the International Environment Day, the members of the English Club, of your school, okay, are debating on the importance of real life. In order to write out a test about the impacts of fauna and flora on human life. Okay, the test will be published test will be published in the Ghanaian ecological magazine. Okay. One. Give, okay, the definition. Give a definition of fauna. And flora. Okay. Number two, identify the different elements. Okay, that constitute fauna and flora. Number three, analyze the relationship between fauna and flora and their impacts. And the impact on human life. Okay? This of Okay, communication activity for the International Environment Day. The members of the English Club of your school are debating on the importance of a life in order to write out a test about the impact of fauna and flora on human life. Okay? The test will be published in the Ghanaian Ecological Magazine. Okay, you see, we have three important points that we take into account in your writing. I repeat, we have three important things that we take into account in your work. The first point is to give the definition of fauna and flora. The second point, okay, you are going to identify, I repeat, you are going to identify the different elements that constitute fauna and flora. Okay? The third point you are also taking into account in your work is to analyze the relationship between fauna and flora and their impact on human life. You see, such a word is clear. It's a writing section. So you have to respect, the prescription, or you have to respect what I say. Do your work just in 10 lines. You understand? In 10 lines. Okay? Not behind, not below. But you see 10 lines, you respect. So make yourself at work. But before leaving, I'm going to read again the points. Communication activity, everything again. You see, for the international environment, then the members of your English club, okay, of your school, are debating on the importance, you see, the importance of a life. in order to write out a test about the impact of fauna and flora on human life. The test will be published in the Ghanaian Ecological Magazine. Now, the 3 points are to be into account in your work. So, make yourself at work. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.